Hey everybody, what I'm going to go over in this video is how to log into the Desmos website and type in the code. This is something that we're going to be using. It's an interactive website to do some fun type activities throughout the year. Anytime that I need you to work out a problem, it's going to give me access to see what you're drawing and working on your iPad. We can share it together as a class. Very useful tool. Okay, so in order to do Desmos, all I'm going to have you do is log into the website. So we make it to a certain portion of a lesson or a presentation where I'm going to tell you to log into Desmos. So what that means is that you're going to open up your web browser. So I have my Google Chrome opened. I'm going to go into the address bar and then I'm going to type in as a student. So this is exactly what you're going to be doing. You're going to say student.desmos.com and hit go. Okay. I do not need you to sign in. If you want to, that is always fine. But this is just always going to kind of be just something that we're going to be doing in the middle of a day. So class code, that's always going to be given to you. So as an example of something that we're going to be working on, I have a class code here. So I'm going to give it to you in class. Whenever we get to that point, you're going to type it in. I have one that says WTTM7X. Join. So it's going to take you into the screen. So now it says, welcome to getting to know each other. This is the first Desmos activities that we're going to work through together. And now it says continue without signing in or sign in with Google. So you have two options. If you're signing in with Google, make sure you're using your Shaler account. I am not, because my Shaler account makes me the teacher. I want to show you what the student version looks like. So I'm just going to click continue without signing in, which is perfectly fine because it's going to prompt you to type your name in anyway. So I'm still going to know who you are. So I'm just going to type in Christine and then I'm going to hit go. And it's pretty much that simple. So now it's going to open up what your first task is going to be. So you can see it says type in your name, and then all you're going to have to do is kind of click around. It's pretty self-explanatory. So my name is, we're going to click here. I'm going to say Christine. What do you go by? So if you go by something else, so for example, I like to be called Chris. And then it says, tell myself and your classmates about yourself. So do you have any pets? What is your favorite thing to do? What is your favorite TV show? So we can type in here. So I love to watch Grey's Anatomy. Anything that you want to write. Okay, so period. And then you have the option to share it with your class. Not every slide is going to give you that option. I have the ability to turn that on and off. So something like this, where it's pretty carefree, I'm giving us the option to share that with the class. So then whenever you're done typing everything in, anytime you see that blue button, you're going to want to click it. If it's something, some of these questions might be a little bit more personal that I don't want everybody to see. You may not want everyone to see your answers. That button isn't even an option, so you don't have to worry about that. This next button, you're not going to have the ability to click through. I have the power to turn that on and off, so I can kind of pace us through this as we go. So, and then you can see down here, it says other students' answers, wait here for 3 of your classmates' responses. So when we're working on this together, you're going to notice that as soon as you hit that send your response, as soon as other students in your class start sending that, you're going to be able to see that pop right up on your screen. At the same time, I can also see all of your responses. Okay. And then at that point, I would kind of flip through. Like I said, this next button, I have the capability to turn on and off, which I'm most likely going to have turned off so that you can't just keep clicking through quickly on the presentation. I'm going to have the power from my computer to click through it. Okay. But that's just a quick demo of how to log in and use Desmos. Very simple. All you need to do is log into that website, student.desmos.com, type in the code that I give you for that day. It's always going to be different depending on what activity we're working on. And then, like I said, it's a really useful tool that we're going to use because it gives us the capability to answer some questions. You have the capability to see some of your classmates' answers, and then I can see everybody. So a lot of this, there's a drawing app. So let me show you if I flip through here. It says sketch about you. So you can have a pen tool and you can kind of draw some stuff. So I'm going to draw this smiley face. And then again, you can submit that to me and I'll be able to see everything. So we're really going to be making use of this whenever we're working out problems to allow me access to see all of your individual work on your iPads in real time. So it's pretty cool.